Hello everyone, today my agenda is that how to create and Razor application in ASP.NET Core. You can see here this demo transport application, and in this application I add new module. This module name is vehicle, and when I click on this module you can see here and showing button here create new, as well as when I click on create new, and we can add new customer and put here contact number as well as description. Just click on create button, and you can see that here this new record has been created successfully. Add in, you can see here new record, add in list, and just click on detail. We can see that here detail of this particular driver, and back to list, and just click on edit. We can update record like that, and when I click on delete button, and you can see that here option delete. When I click on delete button, record automatically delete. Okay, good. And second thing is that create new, and in this form also implement validation like that. Let's start implementation of this project. In Visual Studio 2019, showing here create a new project. Click this one. You can see here ASP.NET Core web application and ASP.NET Core web application. Select this one and click here next, and put here your project name. Just like for example, my project is a transport project, transport related project, transport demo, and click here create. And you can see here a window. In this window showing here web application, and you can see here also ASP.NET Razor pages contained. You can see here, select this one and create. And you can see here this is project. In this project add new folder, and folder name is vehicle is a folder name, and add a class, model class, in this folder, and like that add a class. This is model class, and in this class you can see here select class and just put here class name like that, vehicle track.cs, and you can see here vehicle track is a class. In this class add some property here d like that, and second property like that string, and driver name, and next property is that contact number. Next property is that, and vehicle detail, vehicle description like that. And after that, and you can see here vehicle track is a model class. In this model class I have put here 4 property, and after that before starting CRUD operation, we have to know about that scaffolding in ASP.NET Core. Simply, scaffolding in ASP.NET Core is a technique used to generate code at design time to support a number of common application scenario. That means, and using scaffolding we can create CRUD operation automatically and auto generate the net code. Let's start how to create CRUD operation very simple way using scaffolding. Let's start. And you can see here in this vehicle model, right click like that and add here new item, new scaffold item. Just click here like that and simply select here Razor Pages using Entity Framework CRUD operation. Click this one and add here. And you can see here your model class. This model class I choose here vehicle track. You know that very well. I created just now vehicle track selected here and data context class. Just click here plus button and transfer data and demo context. Just click here add and other options you can see here create as a parcel view, reference as a script library, user layout page like that and just click here add and it will be take some times because Microsoft Entity Framework Core SQL Server automatically add here and in this we can see that here in vehicle folder and after using scaffolding and k.html and delete details edit and index all files automatically generate here. Okay, and after that and go inside app.setting and we can see that here and the server name, this is connection string and transport demo context and here you can see here this connection string local dd like that and database name and similar like that. This is my database change here connection string like that just and you can see here this server name, copy this one server name, copy and just paste server here and you can change according to yourself, according to your and control B change server name and now change database. Just right click on database, generate new database here, put here database name like that transport demo copy name of this transport database like that and paste here transport database name, replace this like that transport database and after that write down here username and password, mention here user id sa and password pass @123 and this part of the database and connection string I have changed according to my database. Just connection string of database server name and database name and user ID and password like that. And next step is that and add migration here like that and go to tools, inside the tools package manage console, add migration command here like that and after that update command update database here like that and we can see that here in migration folder showing here initial transport demo and transport demo context like that and you can see in database like that
refresh this one, and you can see inside table automatically generate vehicle track table and migration history also. That means we are using here code first and simply add migration and automatically generate the table and according to the model classes, and this part has been completed. And first one, generate these classes and update database connectivity. And next step is that inside the pages, and you can see here layout.cs.html. Open this one page, and you can see here and menu link like that. Copy this one, we can see that here, the showing here privacy, but change the name according to my requirement like that. And vehicle and ASP page change according to myself. And you can see here this folder name is and this my folder is vehicle, and the new model is vehicle, and simply put here vehicle and index file of this one module like that. Control S. Now run this one application. Just click on this IS Express.
Been successfully compile and run, and you can see here and new module, this vehicle, new module is vehicle, and you can see here create new. When I click on create new, just like it, and you can see here this form and name of vehicle just like a test, and contact number of like that, and description. And after that click on create button, and you can see here and record has been successfully created here. And also in database we can see that here record added or not. We can see that here record has been successfully created here. Again, just click again here create new, and enter driver name for and contact number like that, and vehicle description, and click on create button. And you can see here again added new record, and just showing in database like that. Execute this query again, and you can see here two records are available in this list, and you can see here and three buttons showing here edit, details, and delete. Suppose that I click on details, and you can see here all details back to list, and we can edit record test 1 for example, and click here save button, and you can see here record has been saved successfully. So that I click on delete button test for delete here, and just click here delete, and record has been successfully deleted. and you can see in database. And test 4, just execute this one, and single record has been showing here. And again create new, and just click on create button. Contact number is required as well as driver name should be required, and simply open your model. In this model class we can set here just required, and you can see in suggestion using system component model data annotation. Just click here and required implement here, and Control S, and just here run your application again. Application running again, and you can see here again click on this module, click on create new, and just checking validation, click on create button, and you can see here a driver name field is required as well as contact number field is required. Just put your test name like that and contact number like that, and vehicle description like that, and click on create button. That means record has been successfully created. Test 45. Thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.